Okay, this isn't going to be a long sales video. Your time is valuable, and so is mine. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and over the past years, I've scaled up my income from zero to over 35k revenue per month. Here's some recent proof, and here's another. In the process, I've launched 25 websites and almost 110 products, and I now benefit from over 40,000 members inside my Elite Tigers group. So what I'm doing today is giving you the benefit to tap into some of my traffic. Welcome to Promote Any Link. That's right, I'm going to let you promote any link of your choice and then send traffic to it from 40,000 members across my group every single day for as long as my sites exist. Your link will be seen every single day by proven buyers. But that's not all. I'm also going to be sharing the links directly on my 25 websites, on my corporate website, EliteTigersGroup.org, and on my personal blog. And for the first time ever, you will also enjoy additional traffic from leading mailer sites, including most of the top names in the industry. Unlike all of my previous traffic products, with Promote Any Link, you really can promote any link. There is no site tester, and you really can send the traffic to any URL of your choice, including directly to sales pages if you choose to do so. For a one-time crazy low price, you are going to benefit from free targeted traffic to any link forever. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Promote Any Link before the price goes up. Step 2. Place any URL of your choice to be added to the rotator. Step 3. Sit back and relax as you benefit from free targeted buyer traffic each and every day. But act fast. Let me tell you a really big secret. At the start of the launch, there are no links on the sales rotator. That means that those who take fast action will get way more clicks to their links than those who delay, because at the start of the launch, every single click could be going to their offers. So, the longer you delay, the less traffic you will get. This really is the ultimate product for fast action takers who pick up a copy during the launch period. I said that I wouldn't take up much of your time, so now it's up to you to decide. Do you want free traffic for life for less than the cost of a pizza? Or do you want to carry on as before, struggling to get anyone to visit your page? Don't worry if you say no. It means there'll be more traffic for everyone else. But if you say yes, I'll see you on the inside, where we can get your free traffic started in less than 60 seconds from now. Take care and have a great day.